Hello guys, welcome to Clet-Chie channel. Today I'm going to unbox Tonor Q9 Studio microphone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Right, so without further ado, let's move on. This USB condenser microphone comes also in a variety of formats. Handheld mics are great for recording vocals, gaming, and interviews, while desktop models are generally better for acoustic instruments and podcasting. It also comes with pop filter that you can bend into the position that you desire, and it has a mounting clip that screws. Everything you need inside the box. It also comes with literature. Next up, included is the super cool shock mount to support your microphone to prevent noise bump, especially when you are moving it. This is the base plate or little chip that it sets into and should be good for clamping into your desk and hold your microphone arm into place. This is the 6 feet long USB cable that plugs into the bottom of the microphone. So it's long enough. And now the microphone itself. This has a 16mm large diaphragm capsule. It has USB port at the bottom. Got the phone windscreen as well that you can use if you want more protection from pollution sound or outside noise. And now this is the microphone arm. It comes in black color and it looks really nice. It allows the arm to bend. You got the option of positioning your microphone in front of you or even hanging. First step. This is simple and easy. Mount the base plate on your desk and simply screw it tightly as it is shown in this video. Just size it up according to the thickness of your desk and just screw it tightly. Now the microphone arm, we'll mount it into the base and position it the way we want it and just hold it in place. Now we take the shock mount and we have to screw it at the end of the mic arm and point it where we want it to hold the microphone. After that, next is squeeze the microphone into the shock mount. grab the microphone cable and plug it into the bottom of the microphone. This time you can mount the phone windscreen to protect from outside noise. That's it. So now your Tonor Q9 Studio condenser microphone is up and ready to be running soon. Now set it up on your personal computer or laptop or desktop. You will just simply plug the end of the USB cable onto your desktop. There you go, very straightforward. That's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for my next unboxing, which is the Yeezy 350 Boost by Adidas. Thank you so much. Bye.